If some ceramic tiles are chipped or damaged before installation, stop and sort every piece immediately. Carefully inspect every box on a flat table under good light, looking for hairline cracks, chips on corners, and glazing defects, because even small flaws can show after grouting. Set aside any damaged tiles and measure them to determine if they can be used as perimeter cuts where chips will be hidden. Cut-off pieces work well for trims and under cabinet areas. Photograph defects and note the lot number from the box label so you can request replacements from the supplier quickly and accurately, and keep records of quantities and pictures for warranty claims. Reject boxes that contain multiple damaged tiles from the same lot, and do not attempt to force them into the layout, because cracked tiles can break later and ruin adjacent tiles. When requesting replacements, ask the supplier to source from the same production lot or provide a visual match sample to avoid color and size variance. Allow time for delivery before you proceed to prevent rushed installations. If you must use a marginal tile in a visible area, seal its cut edge and place it where the defect is least noticeable, but mark it for future replacement so the owner knows it is temporary. Common mistakes include assuming a few hidden chips are acceptable and proceeding anyway, which leads to breakage under stress, so always remove and replace damaged tiles before setting. Another issue is failing to record lot numbers and photos, which makes supplier replacement slow or impossible, so document everything at unloading. A third problem is trying to hide imperfections by heavy grout application, since grit will stress edges and highlight chips, so instead reserve damaged pieces for non-visible cuts or order properly matched replacements. We offer bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with nearby contractors and to help contractors find steady work related to tile and other home projects. On our site, we also host a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, ask questions, and trade practical tips on handling damaged materials and managing installations.